what would have to hit this thing to cause it to fold up? And this is a Mercedes, guys. This is Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be not for like the softest heart or feelings. If you don't like seeing wild things, this is probably not for you, but the things are not too bad. So we're gonna just show cars that are really messed up. So what we got here is a Mercedes S63 Amg. Things got toasty. So that's it. Oh, can't open that door. Interior is ruined. It's all burnt. Doubt anybody's been in here when it was burning. But yeah, this car is messed up. All the windows I think are busted out. But this is a S63 Amg. Good parts car. I doubt anybody's gonna be fixing this. And then check out that glass. So somebody was bashing this glass, doing something with it. It didn't look like it phased it too much. And then yeah, look at all that. It's a V8 bi-turbo. Used to be. No good no more. And let's go check out some more wild things. They got things here, like I said, they're just, I mean, they're wrecked cars. Some get wrecked easily, some get wrecked hard. They're all here. And let's go check them out. All right, guys, so here's another car, 2011 Honda Insight. It's got some heavily front end damage. The tire is no good. It's got a little hole, but it could probably be patched. And yeah, this thing, there used to be a front end here. Here's what used to be a frame rail, and it's facing totally, what is that, like a 90-degree angle almost. And then you got the other frame rail facing almost at a 90-degree angle too. So let's see what we got. So we got some wiring, we got some ABS, engine mounts are broken. Like, this car definitely got some damage. But a good donor for a parts car. Let's see what we got. Blown airbag. Battery dead. Hard to see with the light. So let's keep going. Oh, here we go. I think we found our next car. So here is what is the Chevy Cruze?
It's a 2013 Chevy Cruze. Surprise, it is an in-op.
In-op does not run. Just needs a tire. I mean, this thing, hopefully nobody died.
It doesn't look like it. It looks like the door stops. I mean, yeah. It did get smushed, but.
So we're just showing you guys what's out here. We're not here to offend nobody. Like, I mean, this is real life. This is what's out here. So we're showing you guys how everything is. Yeah, look at the holes in the roof. What the heck is that from?
These cars are probably definitely not to fix up.
No, this is parts cars. Parts cars. So it looks like, yeah, most of the airbags blew. This back door is gone. Looks like they cut the roof. So let's keep going. Not all the cars here are pretty and easy fixes. Some of them are just not made to be fixed. They need to be parts cars. This one,
2016 WRX.
this one's not too bad. If you guys are into this kind of stuff,
the car actually starts. It does say it starts. So
if you guys are into these kind of cars, let us know. We'll make a separate video for Subarus. There's a lot of Subarus here in Spokane area, Washington area.
Oh, check this thing out right here. 2000 Honda Accord.
Holy moly. Yeah. That's pretty crazy.
It's like a triangle shaped here.
Holy moly. That's insane. So here's a Subaru Forester.
2018.
Definitely hit something. Looks like it hit a tree. The roof is damaged. The doors are damaged. Engine's probably damaged. Look how far. So the reinforcement has to be like here, and it's pushed in like 1.5 feet. Engine's probably damaged. Let's see what we got. Such a hard hit and only 2 blown airbags. That's crazy. So
let's go find some more apartments.
Let's see what else we can find out here.
That boat is pretty sick. I don't know if you guys can see all the way that far, but I think it has a blown engine, right? If we looked at the website.
Well, I'm not sure what it has.
Oh no, the wiring. The wiring.
In the front looked like it was burning.
Yeah, the wiring looked burnt from probably like I was pulling it.
Holy man, look at this thing. This is crazy. So
2016 Impreza.
2016 Impreza. Pretty insane what these cars can go through.
Packed actually did pretty well here. You could see that kind of stopped. I mean, it pulled that door away, but
crazy. Like,
but it moved everything to the side. Look at this.
Sometimes you wonder what hit them, or what could have hit. Like, seems like a train would have to hit him.
Yeah, dude.
To hit that car to do an impact like that. Ooh, Civic.
Oh, look at this Porsche right here.
Here we go. We got a Porsche. It's wrapped up. But I think online they got pictures of it unwrapped.
Oh, really?
So maybe we could put them in.
Yeah, maybe I'll put them in. But 2003 Porsche. This thing's been here for a while.
We've seen it.
These wheels are probably worth something.
Looks like, yeah, maybe 3-piece wheels. Definitely a parts car. I don't think anybody's gonna be fixing this thing. Man, the roof is caved in. Oh, we got an M3. But let's keep going. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, another car.
Let's see a Ford Fusion.
Ford Fusion. Total loss. They had to use the jaws of life to get the roof off. Doors. Man, this whole thing. So there's the impact. And here's a rear end. Like, what would have to hit this thing to cause it to fold up? And this is a Mercedes, guys. This ain't no weak metal. Like, to get a Mercedes to do that, something hit it hard. So we got a 2014 Mazda. Look at that motor. Holy moly. It's all broken. The motor's shifted. Oh man, all the engine mounts are broken. Motor's literally on the ground from all the brackets being broken. Airbags deployed. If you guys like Chevys, we made a video about this truck, so if you're into Chevys, or GMCs. This is a cool truck. Go check out the video. There's a more in-depth video about it. What do we got here? 2014 Raptor. Definitely missing the wheel. Suspension damage, the doors. This tire. There are some parts in here. No idea if they're good or not. Open up. Blown airbags. Let's see what we got.
So look at this. We got a Ford truck here. Got smashed, looks like from the top, or something fell on it. Comes with the plow. Got completely damaged or totaled. It's a 1999 F250. Even got the attachments. Might be worth it just to pick it up just for the plow. I mean, you got attachments. I'm not sure how much the plow is, but and you got studded tires. Ooh. We got another power stroke here. Also, something looks like fell on top of it. What is going on with these? This one has 200,000 miles. Ford F350. But yeah, look at the roof inside. Okay, so this was just like a carnage video, basically heavy damages to these vehicles. If you guys like these videos, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We post all kinds of different stuff. This is kind of heavy damage video, but usually we try to find some light hits, something you could buy. So if you enjoy those videos, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications on, and we'll see you guys on the next video.